Hello again. Here we are. We're finally at the end of the involution beyond karma. Remember that we talked that karma means action. It literally translates as action. So karma is the actions that we do out there in the world. We've made a point of saying that one of the key words we need to remember is samskaras. So samskaras move outward through the levels that we've talked about and lead to our karma, our actions in the world. Now through our journey of the involution beyond karma, we've gone through all of those levels inward, and now we're talking about the center of consciousness. This is the ultimate goal. This is what we're trying to do. I want to add here that you may not think of yourself as totally enlightened, self-realized, or whatever you want to call it, but I want to suggest to you that every one of us can already have glimpses of the nature of the center of consciousness with what we're talking about. You can have moments where things are pretty quiet. Your mind is quiet. You're not actively, there's nothing wrong with thinking. We should use our minds. They're very good minds. We have problems in our world. We need solutions. So minds can help do that. This is not anti-mind. That's not what yoga is about. It's not about opposition to mind. Minds are very, very useful. But we all have glimpses, do we not, of moments, maybe a fraction of a second, where there is nothing but stillness and quiet. This is what we're talking about. And so beyond the actions and speech, beyond the thinking process, beyond all of the levels of emotion, beyond the fulfilled and unfulfilled desires, beyond the kama, the desire itself, beyond the samskars, beyond the primitive urges and self-preservation, there is the intuition that beyond the avidya, there is something else that is pure, or if you like, divine, that is consciousness itself or awareness itself. I'm not going to spend much time here trying to define that for you. There are different ways that different people talk about this, and it's convenient just to think of it as center. I like the words Atman and Purusha and Shakti and Shiva and Brahman and all of these words like that. But a simple language way to hold it is that at the center of all of my being and all of this that I manifest outward into my actions called karma, deep within all of that there is a still, quiet center. As has been often said, be still and know. That's all we have to do, be still and know. This is the journey of the involution beyond karma. I hope this journey has been fun for you and insightful, and I hope it inspires you to keep practicing meditation and contemplation. Okay? Thank you for listening. Thank you for playing. Bye-bye.